Hi! Today we have an eye-opening video for you that you wouldn't want to miss. Have you ever wondered about the potential dangers lurking in your household cleaning products? Well, in this video, we're going to uncover 6 shocking facts that might just make you think twice before reaching for that bottle of cleaner. So, grab a seat and get ready to be surprised. Household cleaning products are a common part of our daily lives. We use them to keep our homes clean and germ-free, but what if I told you that some of these products could actually be harmful to your health? It's true. And that's why it's so important to watch this video till the end. We'll be sharing some surprising information that can help you make informed choices when it comes to the cleaning products you use in your home. Fact number 1. Toxic ingredients. Many household cleaning products contain toxic ingredients. These chemicals can have detrimental effects on your health, from respiratory issues to skin irritations and even hormone disruption. But don't worry, there's a solution. Look for cleaning products that are labeled as non-toxic or chemical-free. Alternatively, you can make your own cleaning solutions using natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. Fact number 2. Air pollution. Using certain cleaning products can contribute to indoor air pollution. Chemicals like volatile organic compounds, VOCs, can be released into the air, leading to poor indoor air quality. But fear not, there's a solution. Opt for cleaning products that are labeled as low VOC or environmentally friendly. You can also improve indoor air quality by opening windows while cleaning or using air purifiers to filter out pollutants. Fact number 3. Antibacterial overuse. Excessive use of antibacterial cleaning products can actually be harmful. It can contribute to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, making it harder to fight infections in the long run. Luckily, there's a solution. Reduce the use of antibacterial cleaning products and instead focus on proper hand washing with regular soap and water. Good hygiene practices, such as covering your mouth when coughing or sneezing, can also help prevent the spread of germs. Fact number 4. In regulated industry. The household cleaning product industry is not as heavily regulated as you might think. Manufacturers are not required to list all the ingredients on their labels, making it challenging for consumers to make informed choices. But worry not, there's a solution. Research brands that prioritize transparency and list all ingredients on their labels. Look for cleaning products that are certified by reputable eco-labels like Green Seal or Ecologo, ensuring they meet strict safety and environmental standards. Fact number 5. Hidden allergens. Some cleaning products contain hidden allergens that can trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. But don't fret, there's a solution. Opt for cleaning products labeled as allergen-free or hypoallergenic. Read ingredient labels carefully and avoid products containing known allergens, such as fragrance or certain dyes. Fact number 6. Impact on the environment. Household cleaning products can have a significant impact on the environment. But fear not, there's a solution. Choose cleaning products with biodegradable and plant-based ingredients, as they are less harmful to the environment. Consider using reusable cleaning tools like microfiber. There you have it. 6 shocking facts about household cleaning products that can harm your health. We hope this information has opened your eyes to the potential dangers and inspired you to make safer choices for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, a clean home doesn't have to come at the expense of your well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.